myself JV and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class B.Ed 4th semester. We will discuss the topic biodiversity. What is biodiversity? The term biodiversity was first coined by Rosen in 1986. The word biodiversity originates from the Greek word bios means life and Latin word diversities means varieties or differences. The whole word biodiversity generally therefore means variety of life. Biodiversity is the degree of variation of life. It is a measure of the variety of organisms present in different ecosystem. Types of variety, varieties, by types of biodiversity. Biodiversity divided into some category: species biodiversity, genetic biodiversity, and ecosystem biodiversity. Species biodiversity. Species biodiversity, it is the effective number of different species that are represented in a collection of individuals is known as species biodiversity. Second one, genetic biodiversity. Genetic biodiversity, the level of biodiversity refers to the total number of genetic characteristics in the genetic makeup of a species is known as genetic biodiversity. Third, ecosystem biodiversity. Ecosystem diversity refers to the diversity of a place at the level of ecosystem. The term differs from biodiversity, which refers to variation in species rather than ecosystem, is known as ecosystem biodiversity. Benefits of biodiversity, कंजप्टिव वैल्यू, क्या क्या चीज़ें इससे मिलती हैं? तो देखो, इससे आपको फूड मिलता है, ड्रिंकिंग मिलता है, ड्रिंक चीज़ मिलती हैं, फ्यूल्स, मेडिसिन्स, बेटर क्रॉप वेराइटीज़ बायोडाइवर्सिटी से मिलती हैं एंड इंडस्ट्रियल मटेरियल्स मिलते हैं. नॉन कंजप्शन वैल्यू, रिक्रेशंस, एजुकेशन एंड रिसर्च एंड ट्रेडिशनल वैल्यू. थ्रेट्स ऑफ बायोडाइवर्सिटी. बायोडाइवर्सिटी के संकट कौन कौन से होते हैं इसको नष्ट करने वाले? तो सबसे फर्स्ट है नेचुरल कॉजेस, नैरो जियोग्राफिकल एरिया, लो पॉपुलेशंस, लो ब्रीडिंग रेट एंड नेचुरल डिजास्टर्स. ये तो सारे नेचुरल कॉजेज. एंड सेकेंड वन, एंथ्रोपोजेनिक कॉजेज, पॉल्यूशन, हंटिंग्स, ग्लोबल वार्मिंग एंड क्लाइमेट चेंज, एग्रीकल्चर एक्सेट्रा. कंजर्वेशन ऑफ बायोडाइवर्सिटी. बायोडाइवर्सिटी को कंजर्व कैसे किया जा सकता है? कंजर्वेशन ऑफ बायोडाइवर्सिटी, बायोडाइवर्सिटी इन्वेंटरीज, कंजर्वेशन बायोडाइवर्सिटी इन प्रोटेक्टिव हैबिटाट्स, इन सीटू कंजर्वेशन एंड एक्स सीटू कंजर्वेशन एंड सीड बैंक, जीन बैंक, pollen banks, DNA bank, etc. Conclusions. Biodiversity is our life. If the biodiversity got lost at this rate, then in near future the survival of human beings will be threatened. So it is our moral duty to conserve biodiversity as well our environment. Long term maintenance of species and their management requires cooperative efforts across entire landscapes. Biodiversity should be dealt with the scale of habitats or ecosystem rather than at species level. Thank you.